We have committed 60 million shillings of sponsorship towards golf this year, the highest of any organization. And through this, we are therefore sponsoring 12 million shillings towards junior golf series. We've also committed 6 million shillings towards the Kenya Amateur Golf Competition, and I know that was played here in Nakuru. That was our sponsorship as well. And besides that, we are holding about 125 events across the region this year, sponsored by NCBA for golf. So we are certainly the biggest sponsor of golf.